How to add or remove the Notes or Quick Note widget in the Control Center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the Control Center. Now in here, tap on the Add button at the top to go into Edit mode. Once you are in here, go down to the bottom and tap on Add a Control. In the controls list, we scroll down. So scroll down and go to the Notes section. In here, you can tap on Notes to add in the Notes widget to your Control Center. Now tap on Add a Control again, and we go down to add in the Quick Note widget as well. So both of these widgets have now been added to your Control Center. Now swipe up to save the changes. And here, if I want to quickly create a new note, I can tap on Quick Note, and that will open up a new Quick Note. I can cancel that. Here, I can tap on the Notes widget to open up my notes. And that's it. If you want to remove it, you can swipe down to open up the Control Center. Then tap on the Add button. Once you are in the Edit mode, you can tap on the Remove button right next to your widget to remove your widget from the Control Center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.